Trying to make money by affiliate marketing but can't seem to get the traffic you want? Want to know what you can do to optimize your content and rank better? Well, if you do, then you're in the right place, because today that's exactly what we're going to talk about. Stick to the end of the video to learn more. More of that in a second. Now, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as well so you can stay updated with our latest videos. Also, make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss anything. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Affiliate marketing is a tough market to get into. Sure, it looks super easy at the start, but we all know that it's not as simple as it looks. Just make a blog, get traffic, and the money will start rolling in. Sounds easy. Doesn't work. Today we're going to take a look at all the reasons why you might be getting lower traffic and a low conversion rate. 1. SEO. If you're new to blogging, you might not have heard of SEO, and if you're an experienced blogger, then well, you might have heard about it. You probably thought, nah, I'll stick to social media ads and get traffic that way. In both cases, you underestimated the importance of SEO, and now it's coming back to haunt you. SEO is one, if not the best way to generate traffic, consistent, reliable and trustworthy traffic on your blog. Social media ads are going to give you traffic, but it's not going to be organic, and it's not going to last. The minute the ad goes down, your traffic is going to take a nosedive, and given that you're here, I'm assuming you know that too by now. Now, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it is basically the optimization or creation of content that is made specifically for ranking better on search engines. When someone searches something that you answer in your blog, if you're on the second or third page, you might as well say goodbye to affiliate marketing and stop blogging. The chances of people going to your website decrease exponentially as you move away from the golden throne of the top of the first page. Being there is the key to getting the best organic traffic that the internet has to offer. Now, how do you make sure your content is optimized for search engines? Simple keyword research. The Google algorithm looks for specific keywords when it comes to ranking websites, and the more of the preferred keywords you use, the higher your chances of ranking at the top. Before writing the blog, you need to make a list of the keywords which the algorithm prefers and try to use as many of them in the blog as you can. You can get an idea of which keywords to use by going on to https://ads.google.com. Both the tool and site work equally well, and it's just a matter of choice. Once you've done the research, use that to make the blog post and then watch as the web traffic goes up. Anyways, that was all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon to support us, and stay tuned. See you next time. Peace.